Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be seeing Kuttadava Thalam practice. It comprises of 8 counts. Ta, Te, Ta, Ha, Dit, Te, Ta, Ha, and it is presented in Adi Thalam. Let's see it from Vilambam to Dritakalam. Talam Gutakati Kutakundari Kitatum Tat Te, Ta, Ha, Dit, Te, Ta, Ha, Tat, 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 Te, Ta, Ha, Dit, Te, Ta, Ha, Ta. Here, Tat, Te. This is Vilamba column. Tat, Te, Ta, Ha. This is Madhyama column. Tat, Te, Ta, Ha. Dit, Te, Ta, Ha. This is Durita column. We will be meeting in my next video. Until then, this is Anjana signing off. Thank you.